In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a custom report in Meta Ads Manager. Whether you're managing multiple ad campaigns or just need to present your data in a clear and concise way, being able to export custom reports is a skill every digital marketer should have in their toolbox. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the report or table within Meta Ads Manager that you wish to export. Finding your way around Ads Manager can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but with a little patience, it becomes quite intuitive. Now, up in the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Reports, or you might see Export in some views. This is your go-to button for exporting data. It's right up there waiting for you, so go ahead and give it a click. Once you have clicked this button, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select Export Table Data. It's a straightforward option, and choosing it will lead you to the next essential decision you'll need to make, the file format. Meta Ads Manager offers you two choices for exporting your data, CSV or .xlsx. If you're unsure which one to pick, consider how you plan to use the data. CSV files are very flexible and can be used in many software applications, but for those who appreciate neat formatting right out of the gate, .xlsx, which is compatible with Excel, might be the better option. But wait, before finalizing that export, there's an important step you shouldn't skip. Customizing your columns and breakdowns before exporting is crucial to ensure that you're getting exactly the data you need. The opportunity to tailor which data points are included allows for more precise analysis later on. So take a moment to adjust these settings, aligning them with your specific goals and reporting requirements. Additionally, Meta Ads Manager offers a handy feature, saving and scheduling your reports for regular delivery. This is especially useful if you're routinely needing updated versions of the same report. By setting up scheduled reports, you can have fresh data delivered directly to your inbox at intervals you choose, freeing up time and avoiding the repetitive task of manually exporting data every time. With all the selections made and customized options set just the way you want them, you can now confidently click through to export your report. It's as easy as that, and soon you'll have your data ready for any further analysis or presentation you might need to do. We've covered the steps in detail, so you'll hopefully feel equipped to tackle exporting reports on your own. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to make the most of your marketing strategies.